This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Annette Ladevig Day. Beautiful end unit with fenced-in patio and attached storage shed. New roof, gutters and siding via association. Outside HVAC unit was replaced 2021. Newer LVP flooring in the living room that also boasts vaulted ceiling and skylights. A loft that would be great for home office or third bedroom. The main bathroom has been updated with a beautiful shower and tilework, access bathroom from hallway or through the primary bedroom. All appliances convey. This home boasts attic for storage and also a pantry. 2 assigned parking spaces and plenty of visitor parking. Easy living with associations amenities that includes most exterior maintenance along with landscaping, water, sewer, trash, clubhouse.